Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to configure the option notification read replay control in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to this operation, slide up and go down to the settings. Then scroll down and go to the notification. And from here in privacy, you will see the notification read replay and control. So click on it. And from here you can choose which application is allowed for this option and which application is not allowed. You can choose the application. You can configure with the option of this application if you want. You can disable it, some application to be not allowed, and you can allow from some of application to get allowed to your notification. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.